Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn Korean family terms. We have already learned a few terms in part 1. Now let's start with part 2. Okay, the first one is the Korean word for parents, and that is 부모님. 부모님. Okay. Next comes the Korean word for son, and that is 아들. 아들. Okay. Next is the Korean translation of the word daughter, and that is 딸. 딸. Next comes the Korean word for grandparents, and that is 조부모님. 조부모님. Okay. Next is the Korean word for grandfather, and that is 할아버지. 할아버지. Okay. Next, let's see the Korean word for grandmother, and that is 할머니. 할머니. And next is the Korean word for younger sibling, and that is 동생. 동생. Okay. Next comes the Korean word for younger brother, and that is 남동생. 남동생. Okay, next is the Korean word for younger sister, and that is 여동생. 여동생. Okay, so today we learned a few more Korean family terms. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.